Now here MBA, MCOM and different courses we have. They have offered. Then we have IITD and then we have Vignan, then Symbiosis, skill universities or first universities for the skill I should say, and that's a good one. And we have the last but not least we have Ashoka University, and I was mesmerized by the courses they have offered. They have a major in biology. They can have a major in biology as well as they can have minor subject in humanities also. That's a good one. That's a good one. So they are students. We have an unlimited time. That's why our representatives have taken a few minutes to share their knowledge about different universities. But there are lots of things to say, there are lots of things for you to know. So they are giving us some more time. They are quite busy, they have different schedules also. But from their busy time, they will give us some more time so that you, dear students, you can ask them personally the colleges, the institute, the courses they have been offering, which will suit you, which are more suitable to you. If you want to go for vocational or skill learning, you have universities. If you want to go for management and other courses, you have different universities. So you can come one by one, you can come and ask them personally regarding the institute which you want to offer. So you are most welcome, and you can ask them go to their own Texas, and you can consult, you can ask, and you can clarify your thoughts. Thank you so much. So students, you can come and then you can clarify your thoughts. Thank you. Please come. Boys and girls.
Student, this is a good opportunity for you. You people come to the stall and interact with the university, and you have whatever the doubt or the question you can ask and take the flyer brochure for the future. Okay, so I request you please come one by one and at a group. Okay, few of them come this side, few of them come this side, few of them come this side. Please, I request you everyone come.
I will say in our time, in our Manipur. So we have a question that is there. Symbiosis, Ashoka, then Vignan, then IITD, Bangalore say. Bokhoi Mata, Bangalore. Karwai Kabo, courses Mayamo, Kanaba, Amusu, Sigi Kari, Kanabia, Nakoi Lahova. Look on the other habit, Adubu. Bokhoi Mata, Yamla Kana, and Gauriba. I could have come which we can learn. I could have come I couldn't knowledge by way of it. My uncle Yauriba, I quite to be a common as you may not know. But if you go there, if you interact with them, you will definitely know that these are the courses, these are the courses, these are the right course for you. I got about Kaligumba skill learning skill learning. If you want to interact with Ashoka University, you can. If you want to interact with the Vignan or Acharya or IIAD, interaction so dear boys and girls, please come and start interacting. Please. Thank you.